It's the most beautiful time of the year. I'm so smart. What's going on, guys? How you doing? Well, I don't know if you've been putting your nose out into the weather, but the temperature's dropping, the leaves are falling. We're swinging right into autumn or fall season. And it is my favorite time of season because not only are we in full swing with beard, mustache, November, but we've got a lot of things I want to cover over with a certain brand that I love, and that's Artius Man. Now, I've been working with Artius Man for about a year and a half now, and they've been one of the best companies, period, to work with. Now, it being coming into the fall season, they come out with a certain product every year that's only seasonal, and that is Autumn Spice, my favorite. Yeah. Now, for you guys that don't know and haven't been to Artius, they carry a wide variety of products and your general sense of smell. We've got your mountain air, we've got your orange citrus, but one thing they do every year is they come out with Autumn Spice, which is a fun kicker to the fall season. Not only do they have beard products, but they also have conditioners, they have shaving cream, they have everything in between. And of course, their traditional, the thickest oil on the market, their beard oil, their Autumn Spice beard oil. And that's what I want to put in today. I want to put in a little bit of oil. Let's go ahead and put in a little bit of balm as well. That way we can get the full kick into the autumn season. Now, this is a great time to start applying beard oil in your beard growth. Now, for me, I'm in my second month of beard growth, and once November 1st starts, I will be in my third month. And this is a great time to be applying this type of beard oil because of the consistency that it has. Artius Man is known to have some of the, if not the thickest beard oil on the market. And to give you guys some proof in its worth, nice, thick, glorious beard oil. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and apply. I like to do a full or a half dropper's worth, and we're just gonna go ahead and put it all in the beard. And my gosh, straight away, we get that autumn, that fall scent of the oil. We'll work it on into the skin. Now we'll go ahead and work it into the skin and in the beard. Now for the past 3 months, I have not been using any oil and let alone beard balm itself. So this is a great way to enter and start back into the products. Now there should be a link down into the description. I'll have a promo code there for you. It's gonna be Scott10, something like that. So make sure to go down there. The link will be there too as well to all of these products. We'll just finish it off, hit it with the brush. And my goodness, I can already tell my beard hairs are softened up. They're hydrated, ready to go for the day. Now, like I said, Autumn Spice is seasonal. So I believe from October to I think the end of December, beginning January is the time to buy. One of my favorite scents in the morning to put in that beard conditioner. That'll be a separate video on itself as well. Now let's dive into their waxes and balms. Now a little later in the week, I will do a video about a conditioner softening technique for your beard. That way we can get our hairs to relax and be more malleable to straighten. Now with their beard balm, and it's always been some of my favorite balm to work with. It's very nice, it emulsifies, it's really easy with the body heat. And same with the wax. I love doing the wax on the mustache. Almost the same kind of consistency, but a lot thicker. That way it holds the wax in the beard and the mustache as well. And these products are a great way to get into the season. Going out on dates, going out with your significant other, showing our peers that we really care about our beard, our mustache, the wax, the oils, the balms really help us get into the season. So like I said, go down into the link. I'll put in an affiliate link too as well. That way you guys can save your money on shipping and all that good stuff. So definitely stay tuned. In the week, I'm going to be doing a softening of the beard hairs with the conditioner and the balm. So like always, you guys, like and subscribe. Check me out on all that social media. Love you guys like always, and I'll see you on the flip side. See ya!